So I'm standing on the deer trail right now. So for a south wind, that blind should be perfect. We left enough natural trees in and amongst it. When they leaf out, it should take away the big blobby look about it. But we're gonna come back, we're gonna plant some native grasses, and keep in mind we're in the swamp. So I mean, there's weeds around us here, like look at these, that are 4 foot high. So when you come in here early October, it's gonna be probably waist high grass and weeds, which will help cover up some of that so it doesn't look so blobby. But then as the weeds and stuff go away, you know, we're gonna trim some branches or some leafy stuff and weave it in there to give it a little more cover. But so we've got a setup now for a north, west, east, and now we have a setup for a south wind. All of them watching these runs that kind of funnel in right along this river that these deer use. So they're coming from the bedding to go out to feed up on some oak ridges. And realistically, I'll pan over here so you can see what a mess this is. We jumped a nice buck, maybe only bedded 100 or so yards that way this fall. A lot of buck activity, a lot of good bucks in here, but you know, we're right on the edge of a bedding area. So they're getting out of the bedding area and they're following this edge of this river for security, where they can wind everything out here on a north, northwest, northeast wind. They can wind anything out here as they venture over towards those oaks. And obviously on a south wind, they're gonna swing a little bit wider. So they're probably gonna come right here down this run, which brings us within probably 20 yards of that blind. And behind that blind, you can see there's blowdowns. There's a series of big blowdowns. So it kind of funnels them here, but they can still scent check this island and this scrape before they get to it. So we'll see what happens. We'll show you this blind again this fall, and hopefully we can show you some activity as we hunt out of it.